dinner. And I was down back, got my bands up, got off the block, and I caught me a camera.
Yo, Ted. It's your boy Trent Fab, and I'm back with another video. And today, I'm back on the car. 2013 good run. This piece of beauty. And today, I'm finna gotta change my headlights. Well, my driver's side headlight. The bulb went out like a couple days ago. So yeah, I gotta change it before I get a fucking ticket. I got a warning to change it, so yeah, we're gonna do that. And, so yeah, with that being said, if you see I like the other car videos, I was like, oh, why not? But I'm finna really just start recording shit and just posting it. And don't mind when it was cold as hell. But yeah, bro. With that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, with that being said, let's get into it. Alright, so we'll be placing the headlight. Like the shit that goes at the middle part. But in order for me to get to my headlight, nigga, for me, I have to remove this bolt right here. And I think that's it. If I'm not mistaken, I think that's it. Yeah, I just gotta remove this bolt. I think. I don't know. Shit. But I just gotta remove this bolt, pull this out, so I can get two replacing this damn light right here. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. With that being said, let me do that. No cap. Alright. Yeah. So get your little and you're gonna use a 7mm to take out loose that screw. Okay. It like so. Oh shit, it's on this side. Just like so. So right here. Right here. So I think this is the only screw you have to take out over this. I really don't know. Alright, chat. So I went in here to the old one out. Up cap. So this is what it's gonna look like. This is the old one. Ooh, nasty. So if you don't know what light to get, all you gotta do is take them out and look right here. The name will be right there. H11. That is the one you get. If it say H11, and it should match up like this one. You know what I mean? So yeah, H11. And if you still don't know, ask somebody for help. You know what I'm saying? Now I hope this video helpful. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make this video as helpful as possible, but we got our replacement, so let's go put it in. Oh. Let's go put it in, put it in. Let's go put it in. Let's put this thing in the raw. No problem. Alright. So boom. Please don't break it. Please don't break it, chat. Alright, it's in there. Now all we do is twist some more. Alright. Then we'll do this. Alright, so then we'll put this cable right here back to the light. Just like so. So hit click. Just like that, and there, you officially change your light. So yeah, so now, let's test it out. And so, I was too close to my phone. Okay, so, should look like this. Okay. That is a beaming light right there. So yeah, that is how you change the light bulb on a headlights on a Buick 2013 Buick Verona. So yeah, let's y'all stay tuned for more car videos. Cause next, I will be changing the O2 sensors on this 2013 VW Beetle. And in the next video, so yeah, I will spoil it. So yeah, if y'all want me to do more mechanic and working on car videos, y'all let me know in the comments down below, and we can make it happen. Okay. That being said, I'm your boy Trinity Fat, but I love y'all, and I'm out. Gang.
With the canner, and I was down bad, got my bands up, got off the block, and I copied a camera. Bossed up, big bag like Santa, making me nervous. My shooters gon' blam up. If it's